Downtown Chico businesses. The online marketplace is now live and is ready for your products.
In only 5 simple steps, you can upload your products onto the online marketplace.
If you can upload a post to Facebook, then this should be no problem. Once you're logged in, you're all set to add your products. Step 1. Pick out up to 20 products that you'd like to feature on your site. This is a great time to think about a wide array of products to satisfy every type of customer and every budget. Step 2. Add your product title and your descriptions. Step 3. Select what category your product fits under. This will make it easier for customers to find your product. Step 4. Upload pictures of your products. If you don't already have any professionally done photos, no worries. You can take them yourself with any backdrop of your liking. Now to upload a picture, click on the Upload Default Product Photo button. If needed, you're allowed to upload up to 3 extra product photos. Step 5. Add either your online store link, contact information, or PayPal button so your customer can buy your product. Once you have your descriptions, photos, categories, and payment method, all you have to do is click Upload and DCBA will cover the rest. Your listed products will be given a quick quality check before they're posted onto the official Downtown Chico Marketplace. Now, you can repeat this easy process for additional products. Be sure to rotate your products in and out every few weeks for peak engagement, especially during the holiday gift-giving season.
And don't forget to update your business page. Click on the link and scroll down to editing your business profile. Once you log in, you can now add your website link, business address, social media accounts, and business bio.
Congratulations! You now have a beautiful site on the Downtown Chico Online Marketplace. If you have any questions, reach out to the Downtown Chico staff and they will be happy to help. See you downtown!